Men over 50. I want to ask you something important. What if I told you that there is one specific spot on your body that, when cared for properly, can bring fresh blood rushing to your most private areas, restore lost sensitivity, and help you feel energized again almost like you did 20 years ago? This special spot is not on the shaft. It's not a muscle you train in the gym. In fact, most men never even think about it. But in my 10 years as a urologist, I've seen a simple routine using nothing more than a natural oil restore confidence and performance in men in ways that truly amaze them. Today, I'm going to explain exactly where this spot is, why it's so effective, and how you can begin using it tonight to naturally strengthen your erections without pills, without complicated devices, and without risky procedures. By the time you finish watching this, you'll understand why castor oil is such a powerful tool for circulation, sensitivity, and hormonal balance. You'll also know where to apply it, how often to use it, and what kinds of changes you may notice in the coming weeks. So stay with me, because the details here matter. Before I reveal the exact spot and method, let's first understand what happens inside the male body after age 50. An erection isn't just a physical reaction or a moment of arousal. It's actually one of the most complex processes your body produces. It requires your brain, hormones, nerves, and blood vessels to all work together in perfect timing. If even one part of that system slows down, the whole process can feel weaker, slower, or unreliable. As the years pass, the blood vessels that supply the erectile tissue begin to lose flexibility. They can't always expand as easily to allow the strong blood flow you need. And even when the blood does arrive, it may not stay locked inside the erectile chambers as firmly as it once did. At the same time, testosterone, the hormone that fuels desire, tissue repair, and overall vitality, gradually decreases. This affects not only sexual function but also your mood, energy, and drive. Another subtle but important change happens in the nerves. Over decades, the delicate nerve endings that send pleasure signals from the penis to the brain can lose sensitivity. This means the same touch that once felt powerful may now feel muted. We also need to consider the pelvic floor muscles. These are the deep muscles that help trap blood inside the penis to maintain firmness. With age, they weaken. And when that happens, erections fade faster than you want. Now, this is the point where many men lose hope. They assume it's just aging and nothing can be done. But that's not true. Even after 50, your body has an incredible ability to recover if you give it the right stimulation and care. By targeting the blood vessels, muscles, and nerves properly, you can restore function in a way that feels like turning back time. And this is where castor oil comes in. It's not magic, but when applied in the right spot, it can boost blood flow, reawaken nerves, and strengthen the pelvic region, leading to firmer and more reliable erections. Castor oil is not like regular cooking oils. Its power comes from a natural compound called ricinoleic acid. This compound has strong anti-inflammatory effects, calming tissues that may be tense or strained. It also helps relax blood vessels, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow. On top of that, it supports the lymphatic system, the body's natural cleaning system, so toxins and waste that slow healing are cleared away. For centuries, people in many cultures have used castor oil packs for healing, whether for sore joints, sluggish organs, or injuries. Its deep penetration makes it perfect for conditions that need more than just surface treatment. When it comes to male health, this penetrating ability is what makes it so powerful. Instead of sitting on the skin, it moves deep into tissues rich with blood vessels and nerve endings. When applied to the right spot, it relaxes muscles, opens blood vessels, and nourishes nerves, leading to better sensitivity, stronger arousal, and a healthier brain-body connection. Men often describe this effect as a gentle awakening, a warmth, a fullness, or a tingling in places that hadn't felt that way in years. It's not about forcing your body, it's about reminding it how to work at its best. So, where exactly is this secret spot? It's called the perineum, the soft area between the scrotum and the anus. This small region may not look like much, but beneath it lies the bulbous spongious muscle, which helps trap blood inside the penis. Also passing through here are branches of the pudendal nerve, which carry crucial arousal signals, and arteries that send fresh blood to erectile tissue. In short, this is a control hub for sexual performance. When you massage castor oil here, you're not just treating the surface, you're directly influencing the very structures that control firmness and sensitivity. Here's how to do it. 1. Make sure the area is clean and dry. 2. Take 1 teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil, Use only high-quality oil for best results. 3. Warm the oil slightly by rubbing it in your hands or placing the teaspoon in warm water for a few minutes. 4. Find a comfortable position and gently massage the oil into the perineum. Use slow, firm but gentle movements. Spend at least 2 to 3 minutes, pressing deeply enough to feel the muscle beneath without discomfort. 5. Focus on steady circles or strokes across the entire area between the scrotum and anus. 6. Breathe slowly and deeply as you massage. This helps your body release tension. 7. After the massage, place a warm compress or towel over the area for 15 minutes. The heat allows the oil to sink deeper and improves circulation. I recommend doing this in the evening, when your body is already relaxing. That way, the tissues stay soft and absorb the oil overnight. Results vary. Some men feel subtle changes like warmth or tingling within days. Others take 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use before noticing stronger morning erections or better performance during intimacy. The key is patience. It's not a quick pill, but a natural retraining of your body. Along the way, many men notice extra benefits: less pelvic tension, reduced lower back stiffness, and even better bladder control. That's because the same nerves and muscles that control erections also play a role in urinary health. For best results, pair this routine with healthy habits. Drink enough water daily to keep blood flow strong. Eat leafy greens and beets to increase nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels. Include healthy fats like salmon, walnuts, and olive oil to support testosterone and blood vessel health. Add gentle pelvic floor exercises like Kegels a few minutes a day to strengthen the muscles that hold blood inside the penis. And don't overlook the role of stress. Chronic stress tightens blood vessels and lowers desire. Spend a little time each day relaxing, whether through deep breathing, walking, stretching, or quiet rest. When you combine castor oil therapy with these habits, you create the perfect foundation for lasting change. Castor oil is safe for external use, but always use pure cold-pressed oil. Don't apply it to broken or irritated skin. If you have ongoing pelvic pain, sudden erectile issues, or unusual symptoms, see your doctor to rule out medical conditions. And if you take medication for blood pressure, heart disease, or circulation problems, let your doctor know before starting this routine. Remember, the goal isn't just improvement, it's safe, lasting improvement that supports your overall health. So, men, keep this in mind. Your body is capable of more than you think, even past 50. With the right care, you can restore strength, sensitivity, and confidence. Consistency is key. Trust the process. And if you found this useful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend or loved one who might benefit from it. Sometimes the right information can change someone's life. This is Dr. Emily Parker, wishing you strong health, renewed vitality, and confidence in every stage of life. Thank you for being here with me today. Until next time, look after your body, listen to what it tells you, and never stop trusting its natural power to restore itself.